Rifter 4x4 concept is done up in a dull dark complete with matte yellow accents on the haze lights, entryways and badging on the grille and wheels. The grille and rear end are both completed in matte dark. The mirrors, rooftop bars and 16-inch wheels are painted what Peugeot calls Onyx dark. Inside, the dark, dim and yellow topic precedes. The dark seats have yellow stripes, sewing and badging. There are yellow accents on the vents, directing wheel, move boot and entryways. The idea includes something other than a couple of visual accessories. As the name infers, the Rifter 4x4 concept has an entire four-wheel drive framework. The framework was outlined by Dangel, a French organization that has been adding four-wheel drive frameworks to Peugeots and Citroens since 1980. The framework utilizes thick coupling and has 3 drive modes by means of a dash selector. 2RM puts the auto in front-wheel drive, 4RM sends energy to the back pivot when required, and lock puts the Rifter in full four-wheel drive. The Rifter's ground freedom has been raised by 80mm and is fitted with BF Goodrich off-road tires. Its 1.5-liter diesel motor sends energy to the wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. Strength isn't recorded, yet the motor makes 221 pound-feet of torque. There's a 300 watts LED light bar mounted over the windshield with 250 light strips. An auto-ohm tent has been mounted to the rooftop. Inside the tent is a sleeping cushion that has an indistinguishable yellow accents from the Rifter's seats. We'll check whether we can get inside when we make a beeline for Geneva in only half a month.